Hey, Bob Carr here with another episode of the Bob Carr Show. Today's episode, Mr. Grayden Bird has joined us back in the office studio. Grayden, how you doing, sir?
Doing good. How are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic. So what's going on this summer?
It's been busy. A lot of irrigation. It's always hot every summer. This summer's hot every day. You walk outside, you start sweating after 5 minutes. Your plants can't keep up. Plants in your lawn, the turf needs water all day, every day. Well, not all day, every day, but a lot of people are getting
That's what you
sod
feel
down.
like sometimes when you go home, right? After dealing with it.
The questions run 24/7. How much should I water? This doesn't look like it's getting enough water. Well, maybe you're putting too much water on it, and that's why it's killing the plant.
Yep.
Same stuff every year, but going good. Staying busy.
Why you think you're so busy this year?
We had the rewraps that started the end of last summer. We've now
Rewraps on
come
what?
full circle, the full rebrand, all the trucks, our
For the
logos,
For the trucks. Okay.
everything. Now we've gotten to a point it's taken almost a year. Just about all the old logos are gone. So looking good on the
you got
road.
a lot of new trucks on the road.
Yep. New trucks, new
All
shirts, new
rewrapped.
hats, everybody, everything.
So you think that's part of a success, why we're so busy?
Well, that and the starting back in, what was it, the end of March, April this spring, that we started offering financing.
Gotcha.
So that's been a big, big help for a lot of people that either didn't think about it enough before they got landscaping done, or they're just tired of it, but they didn't really have enough money allocated after they saved over the past couple of years to get a system. So now the financing makes that easy. You're using our money. And
So they can borrow up to, what is it, 50,000 without even any checks on unsecured, up to 150,000 unsecured.
Yep.
With a little bit of documentation. So it's
So-
really helping out a lot of people. If you got good credit, we can get you. We
You
can get you going,
approved
no money
for-
out of your pocket.
Well, the bare minimum's 1,000 or 2,000. Depending on the
what's
company.
finance company, but yeah, the minimum is 1,000 up to 150,000 unsecured. So that makes it easy for a lot of people. If you got good credit, you've been paying your bills, we can definitely get you financed and no money out of your pocket, same as cash. So
It's
why
easier
not
on
use our
us,
money, right?
easier on the customers. Everybody's happy. We get paid. They make payments at what the bare minimum was, $99 a month was the absolute lowest, no matter the total.
So this helps out a lot of people, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And no
You
money
get a-
out of their pocket, 90 days deferred.
Yeah. Get a 15-zone lawn sprinkler system in your yard because you just had all new plants, new grass, new sod because you built a pool. You don't have to worry about a huge final payment on the day of completion. That's 3-5 years down the road of monthly.
Gotcha.
It's a lot easier.
So that's part of our success this year. I got you. So what else is going on? What challenges? What have you been seeing out there in the industry?
I really like the new lighting transformer, the Wi-Fi lighting transformer. A lot of people have taken to that. You don't have to worry about a timer, either not adjusting properly, like with the digital timer. Sometimes they fall out of alignment, but you don't have to worry about that now. You just pull it up on your phone, turn on, off, set your time. If you want to customize, was it the three separate runs, right?
Yeah. 3 different scenes. So go back to what you said probably about 30 seconds ago. You said a lot of clients are liking it.
Yeah.
So people are going to it, using it, and see how easy it is, and they're not having no trouble.
I mean, most people are okay if we install the system and we just put in a standard digital timer, but if they want to change it, it's very confusing to get in there with the dial, and there's a lot of different things that could be out of sync. With the phone, they don't need to call us at all. They just pull it up it's an app. Everything's simple nowadays. It's really easy. Really easy.
I got you. Grayden, I appreciate you coming in the office today and sharing some of that. I know you're busy. I'll let you get back on the road.
Thank you.
And this wraps up another episode of the Bob Carr Show. We'll see you next week with another episode.